In part 4 you will be learning when can a company issue shares. There are 4 stages of company formation. A limited company can issue shares during and after capital subscription stage. Procedure of issue of shares. Company issues a prospectus along with share application form. Shareholders fill up application form and deposit it with a bank along with a check for the payment of application money. Bank sends these applications to the head office and the head office collects these applications. The checks for collection of application money are sent for clearing and share application forms are given to the company secretary. The company secretary then scrutinizes the applications and prepares a list of applicants showing in details their names, number of shares they have applied for and the amount they have paid. A meeting of board of directors is held. A resolution is passed for deciding the basis for allotment of shares to the applicants. In the case of oversubscription, pro rata allotment is done. On the basis of the decision taken by the board, the secretary prepares an application and allotment list showing in details the names, addresses of the shareholders, number of shares applied by them, number of shares allotted to them, amount of application money collected, amount of surplus application money carried to the allotment, and subsequent calls. Secretary sends letters of allotment to those to whom shares are allotted and letters of regret are sent along with the check for refund of application money to the shareholders to whom shares are not allotted. The shareholders to whom shares are allotted pay allotment money and then company issues share certificates to them. Issue of shares. To issue shares means to give the shares. If company purchases some property from the vendors, company may issue shares to the vendors for consideration other than cash. Shares may be issued to the existing shareholders without taking any consideration from them. In that case, it is called issue of bonus shares. Shares may be issued to the existing shareholders for some consideration. In that case, these shares are called as right shares. When the shares are given to the outsiders for cash consideration, the shares are said to have been issued to the public. Irrespective of whether the shares are issued for consideration other than cash or issued for cash consideration or as bonus shares or as right shares or they are issued in any other form, they can be issued either at par, premium or at a discount. Let us understand these concepts. When face value of a share is rupees 100 and issue price is rupees 100, the share is said to have been issued at par. If the face value of share is rupees 100 and issue price is 110, then share is said to have been issued at a premium of rupees 10. If the face value of share is rupees 100 and issue price is only 95, then the share is said to have been issued at a discount. In the next PowerPoint presentation, you will be learning about issue of share capital.